Hello everybody, today I want to show you how to play music using C++ and SDL. So let's start it. Let's fire up my Emacs. Let's put it so looks good. Project lab, and let's make the folder sound, play sound, or I don't know, let's call it play sound. So main.cpp. So first of all, we need to include SDL, and it's quite simple. We are going to use SDL2, so it's SDL2 SDL.h int main, and every time when we are using SDL, we need to initialize it. So to initialize it, we are going to use init, and we are going to use only audio, so I am passing parameter init audio, and that's it. And SDL init then it's success, it returns 0, or otherwise it returns some negative value, but just to be sure I'm comparing with 0, and if it's not 0 it's fail, and we cannot do anything, and probably I can print some error message, and I just going to copy paste this thing. So my keyboard for some reason feels slow. Let me try to make it fast. What? I think I can. I don't know. It's way slow. Okay, so let's try to compile it. Yeah, I need include IO stream. Then also you can see the compilation flags and March native. You actually, this thing you should not care about. This thing pthread we need because SDL internally use pthread. Also I'm including symbols, debug symbols, also standard C++ 14. And there is a bunch of includes which are not necessary. I just there is my includes, and sometimes I want to use it. So it's main cpp and creating object file, and then here's it linking pthread again. Also I'm using path to my libraries, and we do not need it in this project. For some reason we have two pthreads. I don't know why. Oh yeah, because we are using SDL, and it's like, oh, it knows like we need to use pthread. So SDL2 and play sound, and it's generated binary play sound, but it doesn't do anything because we just init things. So next thing what we need to do is initialize callback. So to initialize callback, we need to first of all populate the structure, which is actually it's not necessary need to be static. So it's SDL audio spec, and I can call it audio spec, and we need to populate it. So first of all we need to set up callback function, and let's be not original, and let's call it callback or audio callback. Okay, and basically it's a function, and it has to have this sort of signature. Void audio. Did I misspell it? Audio callback, and it takes user data. Then it takes pointer to stream and size of the stream itself. Okay, so I'm going to make implementation later. So let's forward user data. Let's make it null for now. So it will set the user data every time then it calls callback, and for now we can set it to null, but later on we will probably use it. So next thing, we need to register our callback. So SDL open audio and audio spec, right? And I do not remember what second parameter stands for. Let's see. SDL audio spec, and it's what we want to have, and this thing what we actually get. So yeah, probably I want to populate a little bit more in audio spec, right? So frequency, so we need frequency. Let me copy paste it. Copy. So we need frequency. So I want to use standard frequency 48 kilohertz, and then audio format, and it might be, I want to have 16-bit little endian signed, this one. So it's quite a standard thing. Then what else? Number of channels. I want to use mono, so it's one channel. Also samples. I don't care about samples. And let's see what they recommend to use samples. Yeah, why not, right? So let's use 4096, and also for size, it's we do not need to put anything. Callback and user data. So this one is last one. Okay, audio spec, and it might also return 0 or something else, and we just do this thing, and probably we want to return different error code, and I just copy paste what we called. So this is for open audio, and next step is start playing. SDL pause audio 0, and basically that's it. So I need to populate callback, and I can play for now some sine stream, sine sound. So first of all, I want to cast this thing to int 16. So int 16 t star s equal stream. Let's contract it like this, and I need to cast it. Cast int 16 t. So we are doing kind of dangerous cast, because it's totally violate the type safety thing. So we want to warn us like we are doing something dangerous, but because it's audio callback and it's C API, we cannot do anything else. So and now I just want to iterate through this thing. So just basically int 16 t star iter equals strum, and iter not equal strum plus size divide by size of star strum plus iter, and iter equal so we want to play sine signal pause plus, and we have frequency 48. So I want to play frequency, let's say 8 on multiply by pause multiply by 2 multiply by pi 314. It's close enough. And also I want to convert pause to seconds, so it's 48,000. Looks good, and I want to extend this thing up to 7FFF star. That's it. It should play sine signal. Let's compile it. uint 8, I guess. Right. And let's run it. So I want to make my reduce the volume just in case. So I'm reducing the volume. So I run it. Oh yeah, we need to make the pause here, and I can do just std get, I guess, get c. I do not remember exactly. Get what is it? C in get c, like this. Get char char temp. I do not remember how to make the. Yeah, it's going to work. Okay, so it's playing. Ready? I'm increasing the volume. That's it. It's simple like this. So what we can do, we can make some music, right? So what I want to do, I want to make the class music. So I want to create the object music m, and I want to pass it here m, and I want to play. So user data, I need to convert it to music. And how I want to approach this thing, basically I need to do reentry cast user data, and I want to call audio callback stream int size, and stream I want to convert also in 16 like this. So I want to have it like here. Let's call it simpler callback. Let's keep it audio callback. And here is it also. I want to size of int 16 int 16t stream int size. So I'm removing all this nonsense, and as a callback it's this thing. It's not stream anymore, it's stream. And yeah, we need parentheses here. Let me make the string shorter slightly, so you would be able to read. So I made this refactoring, so it plays music, plays sound. So we need to play notes, right? And let me think what we can do. So we can have array of notes and duration. So it's going to be vector of, so basically I need frequency and duration, and actually I need I can have like note and duration. So it's two integers, and duration like might be, yeah, okay. So it's a vector, and let's make the pair. So int music, and in constructor I'm going to populate it music, push back, make pair, and I can do 1 1 1 3 6 8 1 3 5 6 8 10. Does it make sense? Let's make it from 0. I think it's easier for me to think from 0. 5 7 9 11. Now it makes sense. 12. So I just in constructor populating the music, and here I'm next node 0 if post retro equal next node. So actually I want to have it here, and here I want to put frequency. Let's make it all public, who cares. So frequency, actually flow frequency 0 if frequency less than equal some value greater. We play, else we just assigning to 0 and increasing the pause. So like frequency 0, it's going to be pause. So and here what we want to do, just I can make the list, right, just for fun. Yeah, vector is going to be fine. So it's not very efficient way, but why not? We do not have too much nodes in the vector. So what I want to do, I want to put frequency equal and how I'm calculating frequency from steps, it's for 40 multiplied by power of 2 in music front first divide by 12. Yep, sounds right. and next node plus equal. So how long I want to do, how long I want to make this thing? Let's make it moderate. It's kind of, I don't know, 90 bits per second, and one I want to make is 16th, so it's 90 bits per second, so I need to divide 60 seconds. It's duration for 1 bit, but I need duration for 16, so and this is duration for 4, so I need to divide by 4, and also I need to divide by 48, or no, I need to multiply by 40. So basically I need to here, right, and then I need to multiply by duration. So duration is music front second, so I need vector. Yeah, so I think it should work. Right, so also I need to remove thing. So here is it, if music size is not music empty. See, we do this thing, otherwise we set frequency to 0, and actually we don't care about next music at all. Here is it, we need to remove music dot pop front. Pop front. What? STD. Pop back, push back. I cannot remove because it's expensive and they don't want to use expensive operations, so I cannot use vector. I can use DQ, right? Let's use DQ. That's it. So it should play major scale. It did play major scale. Nice. So and here's it. I want to slightly simplify this thing because it's quite hard to put notes like this, right? So let's make some something which can make our life easier to populate. I'm thinking, can I make some sort of language and then parse it and populate? Let me think. So what I want to do, like I want to set the node and duration, right? And node also might be sharp or flat, and duration I'm thinking it just have amount of 16, so it's going to be enough for my purpose. Also I need to know octave of node, right? Or I can keep it like this. Just make some nodes for simplicity. So we can have some constants, like C. So 0 actually is A, right? A, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So C is 5, I guess. Am I right? 1, 2. C is 5. Then it's going to be C sharp, then it's D, then it's D sharp, then it's E, then it's F. I can put it in one line. D, D sharp, E, F, E, F, F sharp, G, G sharp, and then A sharp, and B. Let's double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 notes. Looks great. So let's check it out. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C plus O. And O it's octave, right? So we can say it's 12. So let's double check and make it slightly slower. So I'm going to make it fourths, and this one is half. I'm not sure, can you hear it? So let me play it again and just check, is it enough volume or not? No, it's not enough, so let me crank it up. Still not enough. I don't know. I made my best. I still did not implement recording directly from my sound card, so I need to play play in my microphone from my speakers. So I think we're good. So we can start entering the music. So the music is in G major scale, and it's starting with B, then it's C plus 2 octaves, and then it's B plus 1 octave, and with duration of 4 multiplied by 4, 16. And actually it's more than 16, there is another half. And then it's D plus octave, A, and B with duration of 2 holes. So let's check it out. I think we need to play it slightly faster, so let me crank out the speed, and also I think I'm playing it 1 octave higher, so let's make it like this. So let's continue. So it's B, so I need to copy this thing B, but it's water, then it's G, and then it's B again, but it's slightly longer. It's longer by it's almost 4, but it's actually 3, because we are going to repeat it like this. Then it's D with this duration, and it's octave, and then it's C this one, and then it's B but quite long with duration. Then it's B again, it's A, it's this one is slightly longer, I want to make it like this one. And it's B again with this duration. Next, this one is way long. So let me test the second part. Sounds good. So this part, and here. Did I play? I did not. Okay. Then long B, this long B, then G, and then B, but short B, this B, but this B, I slightly lost. A, C, B, D, B, yeah, now I'm here, and then A, I want this sort of A, I want this sort of pattern, but with different notes. It's A, G, G, F, and I think I need to use sharp, and then G, 8, and actually it's like this. Let me test it out. So G, E, again I want this pattern, but with different notes. E, G, C, and then G, and then G, but so it's eighth, actually it's 2, but I need 3, then 1, then I E, 4, yeah, again this pattern. So it's E, oh, it's repeating. Oh, okay, so there is a repeat, E, D, C, D, and then it's repeating rhythm, but it's different notes, so it's and B, and then B, and then A, and this is going to be long A with slightly interesting duration, so it's 8 plus 6. G, this one is going to be 1, F sharp, and G with 16 plus 16. Let me test it out first, right? Sounds good. So let's play it from beginning to the end. Ready? That's it. Thank you for watching, and bye.